Nowadays, it's nearly impossible to keep track of all the conversations on all the social media platforms, and don't even get me started about organizing emails and texts. However, it doesn't have to be that way. That's where you come in. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. Unfortunately, all too often a business loses customers because they just didn't know where to look for their messages. And one of the best services you can offer to make money is something called a unified inbox. It's super easy to do. Let me show you exactly how it works.
Okay, so here we are inside of my demo account that I want to show you exactly how you would set up a unified inbox for your customer or client. So in this software, it's very simplistic. Once you land in your account, you will be on the launch pad that you see here, and you'll see things like GBP and Facebook and a web chat widget and integrate WhatsApp and Stripe and Yext and WordPress and all this. And you can easily just connect to your GBP, your client's GBP or customer's GBP by clicking this button. It'll say connect instead of reconnect. This one here for Facebook will also say connect instead of reconnect, so you can start here, or you can go into settings, and then under settings you would scroll down to integrations, and then under integrations you connect to your Google business profile here or your Facebook and Instagram accounts here. And then on top of that, you would also want to go into email services and set up an email create a dedicated e-sending domain for the domain of your customer or client, so that all the emails are directed to this unified inbox. So that's part of it as well. And then the other part of the conversation might be through text message or phone numbers. So you would go into phone numbers and you would register a phone number, get it approved through the registration process of A2P 10 DLC. And then once you have a number approved and you have a number configured, this number will also be part of the unified inbox. So what exactly is a unified inbox? If we go back and we go into contacts, essentially what happens is if we go into any one of these contacts, which I will go into this one, you will have this middle section called conversation began, right? And so here you can see we have some outbound text messages that were supposed to go out that didn't go out simply because we didn't have a number approved and associated. Then we have an email that's been created and sent back to the contact, right? And so you can see down here we have SMS, WhatsApp, and email. Now we will also have Facebook Messenger and Instagram and Google Business Profile temporarily. It's being removed. The communication or chat of GBP is being removed. So, but those would end up being listed here too. And therefore, any communication coming in from any of those channels, whether it be email, text, Facebook, Instagram, or Google Business Profile for the time being, will end up in this location. So it's a unified inbox, right? Meaning all the communication is in one location. It's not being anywhere else, and it's easy to find and easy to respond to a customer or a client who is looking for help that may have reached out through one of those various means, right? So this is what will happen. So let's go back to integration, or let's go back to Launchpad so we can just go through it quickly. And we'll go click here, connect GBP. So it's going to open up this dialog, which is going to allow me to select basically a GBP for the business. So it's already prompted me using the username, password, which is the email address associated with the Google Business Profile that I entered earlier. If you have not entered it yet, you will be given an opportunity to choose which account you want to select before it shows you all the results, right? But once it does, we would just select the result. Let's just say it was this one. And then if we want GBP call tracking, we can also add that, and I highly suggest you do. Then click connect, and then it'll tell you what's happening. And then essentially we do the same thing with Facebook. So we'll click reconnect, and it says please turn on all permissions for this business on Facebook. These permissions are required for your CM to work seamlessly. Okay, so this looks a little bit new. We'll see if it's different, and we'll see if it prompts us for that information. And so now what you want to do is you want to verify that the name you see here is the name of the Facebook/Instagram account you want to be connecting to inside of the software. And if it is, you'll click continue. If it is not, you'll click cancel, and then you would have to log out of the Facebook account, and then you'd be prompted to log back in. So now it says connecting over here on the right, and once it's connected, it'll say which business do you want to link to this location. So we're going to link the business that's associated with both. This is the one, and then we'll click done. Okay, and now if we want to verify all those connections, we can go back to settings and integrations. Okay, and then we can double check everything is connected the way it needs to be connected, right? So right now, yes, chat is disabled because they have decided to remove it from Google Business Profiles, which kind of stinks because it was a cool feature. However, it is what it is. And then over here with Facebook, we are connected. We have our, it says select the Facebook page. We can do that here too, just to double check. You know, we already had selected it, but we can select it again or change it if we want to by clicking that button. And then it asks us which Facebook page we want to link to this location. And it should bring us back a drop-down list, just like we saw just a minute ago. And we should be able to quickly and easily find the one we want to add to our page. And if there's an Instagram account available, it will show you this message as well. And so you'll just click Facebook, connect Facebook and Instagram, and then it should take this dialog away and show you have a selected page. Okay. And then once you have the selected page, you can select the ad account if you're going to run ads, but make sure you're selecting the correct ad account that is related to the page that is selected. Okay, so now you have all that set up. That means now if anyone messages from Facebook, this page will come into the unified inbox. From the Instagram account associated to that page will come to the unified inbox. All right, so the next thing again was getting the phone number. We already have that established. And then the only other thing you need to do is set up your email services, which by default has already been set up here too, so I don't have to set that up. But you would click on create dedicated domain, and then you would set up a domain name with a subdomain such as it shows in the example, go through the steps of adding all the DNS records, etc. I'm not going to show you how to do that here in this particular video. But once you have your phone number, email service established, the integrations for Google Business Profile and for Facebook and Instagram, your unified inbox is 100% set up and ready for your client or customer. And so we go back into contacts. If I go back into this contact here and I look, I don't have any messages that have come in from the page. Otherwise, if I did, I would have the opportunity to reply back. Like I said, this would be added after email. It would say like Facebook or Facebook page or Instagram account or whatever it is that the message had come from. So I could actually reply to them at that exact spot that they sent the message initially. All right, so that's it. That's how easy it is. It's really that simple, and it's very powerful, and it gives you lots of information. It makes it just a ton easier for your customer or client to be organized, find their messages from all their customers throughout all their different possible locations, and keep track of it all in one centralized location. All right, so again, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching this video as always. And if you have any further questions regarding this, please do not hesitate to ask. Just simply leave me a question below this video in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer it for you as quickly as possible. Okay, before you go, I want to share with you how you can get access to what I consider the biggest, best, and probably baddest high-level bonus package you'll ever find on the internet, worth darn near, if not over, $14,000. All right, so below this video, you can click on a link that will take you to this page you see in front of you. Once you see this page, you click this black button. This pop-up will pop up. You will enter your name, email address, and phone number. Click this black button, and once you submit your information, you'll be taken over to the high-level bonuses page that explains everything you're going to be receiving. So there's another talking head video of me explaining the benefits to my high-level bonus package. And if you scroll on down, you can see everything that's included, including my high-level insiders flagship mastermind membership program that's absolutely 100% free just by signing up for either Marketing Engines A.I, my SaaS, or through one of my affiliate links for HighLevel itself. So you can get all the information you need about that on this particular page. This program includes HighLevel Masterclass for Beginners. So this gives you a series of videos that will teach you everything you need to know about HighLevel. You will also receive a HighLevel Agency Masterclass for Beginners. So if you are on the $297 agency plan or better, the Pro or SaaS white label plan, you will also have everything you need to know about configuring the agency and or white label Pro SaaS plan. From there, you're also going to get access to my Marketing Engines AI, various proprietary engines that I am building out in my Marketing Engines AI SaaS. You can get beta access to these. So the only ones that are going to be getting access to these before Marketing Engines AI actually officially launches on 5/25/25 are those who sign up through my affiliate link or Marketing Engines AI at this point as beta access users. So you're going to get access to the AI appointment booking engine, the AI birthday celebration engine, the AI sales funnel website engine, the AI lead alert engine, the AI reputation review engine, the AI customer referral engine, plus there's going to be several more of these engines added to Marketing Engines AI platform in the coming weeks and months ahead. On top of that, you're also going to get access to the foundation workshops. Now, the foundation workshops are built out to help you grasp the order of operations that are necessary in order to be proficient and be able to build things out in a timely manner for yourself and or your clients. So week number 1, we start with custom fields and custom values. Week number 2, we talk about forms and surveys. Week number 3, we talk about calendars. Week number 4, we talk about pipelines and opportunities. Week number 5, we talk about email services. Week number 6, we talk about phone numbers with the A2P 10 DLC compliance and application process. Week 7, we talk about payments and invoices. Week number 8, workflows and automations. Week number 9, funnels and websites. Week number 10, trigger links and URL redirects. Week number 11, contacts, lists, and tags. Week number 12, conversations and conversation AI. Week 13, Google reviews and reviews AI. And week 14, communities and memberships, with more to come after that. You'll also be receiving marketing engine workshops specifically geared towards helping you fully understand each one of those aforementioned Marketing Engines AI engines that you're going to get beta access to. So reputation management service workshop, the customer referral service workshop, the birthday marketing service workshop, etc. You'll also get access to weekly live Q&A calls, so you get a chance to get all of your questions answered, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest tools, resources, strategies, tactics, and processes that you need in order to be successful with HighLevel. There's also a private community where you can mastermind with and get the support of a select group of like-minded individuals that are as committed to building their business as much as you are. And if you keep on going, you can read some testimonials, and I'll even tell you exactly how to cancel. You can cancel at any time, 24/7, 365, 366 if it's a leap year, and you can even cancel while you're on the pot. So I show you step by step on how to cancel your account if HighLevel is not right for you, or Marketing Engines AI. So again, this total bonus value is $14,099 and counting. I'm sure it'll be increasing as I develop and launch additional engines. And if you have any questions regarding what's all included in the bonus package or HighLevel Insiders, I have a frequently asked questions area that you can pretty much get all the answers to your questions there. However, if you have additional questions, feel free to reach out and I'll do my best to answer them for you. All right, once you've decided to sign up through my HighLevel link or through Marketing Engines AI, either one on this particular page, you will click one of these black buttons. Once you do that, it'll say try HighLevel now for free, and you will get a chance to either sign up for Marketing Engines AI, which I will give you a 30-day trial of it. So I give you a little better option than just signing up for HighLevel, where you can only get a 14-day trial. However, if you're not interested in signing up for Marketing Engines AI for whatever reason, and yet you want to get started with HighLevel, try it out. You can start your 14-day free trial of HighLevel on the starter agency plan by clicking this link. If you have already started a trial through another affiliate, but you have not yet paid, so you're still in the trial period, you can extend your free trial of HighLevel starter agency plan by clicking on this link. If you want, you can start your 30-day, I'm sorry, this is actually a typo. You can start your 14-day trial of HighLevel Pro SaaS plan by clicking this link. And the best news is, even if you already have HighLevel through someone else and you're paying month to month or what have you, you can upgrade to the HighLevel agency plan from the starter plan. Let's say you're on the starter plan and you want to move up to the agency plan, you can upgrade here and still get access to all my bonuses, including HighLevel Insiders. You can also upgrade to the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, which is the white label plan, by clicking on this link. Or you can purchase or upgrade to the HighLevel annual plan by using this last link. If you choose to upgrade to the white label Pro SaaS plan, then you will click on this link and it will take you over to this page here where it says upgrade to HighLevel Pro today. You will have to input the agency relationship number, which you can find right here, agency code. So you just copy and paste this in. And then of course you can use my code ZZYYZZX as well. And then if you are interested in only starting your 14-day free trial of the HighLevel Pro SaaS plan, and you click that link, it'll take you over here where you can see everything you're getting and click on start a free trial of the Pro SaaS plan today. All right, so that's everything that's included inside of my HighLevel bonus package. So just pick the option that works best for you, depending on your situation. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. You can either leave me a comment below the video, or if you know how to get in touch with me otherwise, you can send me a message via one of those other options. I'll do my best to get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you so much, and I look forward to helping you learn and advance your skill set with HighLevel inside of HighLevel Insiders. I can't wait for you to join us. Hope you have a good one. We'll speak with you real soon.